In this video, I'll show you how to download the Windows 1125H2 ISO file. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Windows 1125H2 is still under development and isn't available to the public. This means it may be unstable. If you want to test it yourself, I recommend doing so in a virtual machine, and I'll show you how to download it easily. To get started, open your browser and search for UUPDump. Open the first link in the search results to go to the website. Click this drop-down menu and select 25H2. From the list that appears, select the latest build that corresponds with your system's architecture. Choose your preferred language and click Next. Here you can select which Windows editions you want to include in your ISO. I'll uncheck everything except for Windows Pro and then click Next. Leave these options at their default settings and click the Create Download Package button. A small zip file will be downloaded to your computer. Open your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. Uncheck this option and then click Extract. Now open the folder you just extracted and run this batch file. Click Yes. The script will now begin downloading the necessary files directly from Microsoft's servers. This will take a while depending on your internet speed, so you can let it run in the background. After the download and conversion process is finished, you will find the final ISO file right inside the same folder.